Hello guys, my name is Muskan and today this video is for all the oily acne prone skin girlies because I myself is an oily acne prone skin girl and who is facing a lot of problems and is suffering from active acne since past 6 months or maybe more. Little backstory, I was traveling in August and my parlor person recommended me to try a cleanup which has ingredients based on aloe vera. My biggest mistake was I agreed to it and I tried and my skin braked out, and since then it has been 6 months. I have been trying to cure my acne and I have tried various products recommended by various very famous YouTubers and influencers on Instagram. So the whole point of making this video is I want that you should not spend or waste your money on the products that I did and that did not work out. Although if you search those products on internet or maybe on YouTube or Instagram, they are tagged as holy grail product for any acne prone skin girly. But the fact is the marketing is so strong behind those products. Not saying it will not suit you if it did not suit me, but the only point of making this video is you should always be in touch of a good dermat. A good dermat will always recommend what is best for you. Even if you have bought those products, do not waste it. Just take those products to your dermat and show them that should I continue doing this caused me such and such sensations or maybe burning or something like that. They will guide you. Dermats are for that only. You should never just solely depend on the YouTubers or the content creators. They have their own motive behind making or suggesting. I'm not saying that all of them are bad, but you should do your own due diligence before indulging into buying those products mindlessly. Today, that is on 11th January 2025, I visited my dermat and he has prescribed me a different set of medicines and face wash. And the next sitting is on next Sunday and I will keep you posted about how it turned out, whether it worked with me or not. Now I want to show you those products that I bought on the recommendation of very famous influencers who suggest the acne girlies skincare 3 step 5 step and the products that they themselves use, and it has worked for them. So let's get started with those products. 1 year I have been using this Derma Coca face wash, which was working well for me, but suddenly it stopped working for me and it caused very severe breakout. Then I started searching on Instagram and YouTube what should be a good moisturizer or a face wash for an acne prone skin. So on the recommendation of a very good YouTuber, I was suggested this. This is Cipla Salicylic DS, which was suggested, and if you search this name on YouTube, you may find numerous videos where they say it is a very good product and it helped clear the skin. Honestly, for the first 10 days it was good, but after that it started causing breakout near my chin area, and it really got bad. So as soon as I applied this on my face, a burning sensation on the lower part of my face started happening, and then a sudden breakout like ekdam mad breakout on my face happened, and you can see how it looks like right now. Another product that I bought on the recommendation of a very famous influencer on Instagram was this Oxum spray, which is super oxidized solution, and it was said that it can be used as a toner also. And I thought, why should I not try a pharmacy product which will not have any side effect? But it did not have any effect on my face. It did not do anything. It was as good as like a water only. The two face washes that I showed previously, which is this 1% salicylic acid gentle face wash and this Salicylic DS, I don't think you should buy this. This is really costly. I mean, I bought it for around 400 rupees and it was not even full. It was, I think this was the level which with it was filled, and I have used only this much and it started breaking me out. So I don't think you should use it. Currently my also I have been using a sunscreen which is this Deconstructa sunscreen, and I have verified it with my dermat, and I think he has approved it. He said I can go ahead with it, but he has denied using this and this on my face. He said you cannot use this on your face, it will break you out. But he has approved this, and I think you, if you're looking for a sunscreen which is an acne prone oily skin, this sunscreen you can use. It is from Deconstruct, and I bought it for around 350 rupees from Nykaa, 349 rupees from Nykaa. So I have been prescribed a face wash, a moisturizer, and an isotretinoin capsule 10 mg, and my next sitting is on the next Sunday. So I will keep you updated whether this worked out for me or not. Thank you. Till then, please take care of yourself, and do not fall for anything or any recommendation without your own research.